Gentlemen, what's up? I'm going to teach you how to tie the perfect tie knot today. And it is called the four in hand. This is the easiest knot in my opinion, and the knot that I use basically every single time I tie my ties. So you're gonna start out by making sure the fat part, the front part, is slightly longer than the back. And you're gonna take that and cross it over. That's step one. Step two is take it underneath and over top. And now this creates the front part of your tie, as you can see. You're gonna pinch it from the back and the front. And as you're doing that, take the front piece, come underneath and through this opening here, directly over top of it. Now, in the front here, you have this little opening. You're gonna take the big piece and tuck it right through there. And as you're doing this, make sure the tie doesn't twist up. Make sure it stays straight and smooth because you don't want it to bunch up. But before you completely pull it through, this is the most important part, creating the tie dimple. The dimple gives the tie dimension, it gives it character, and it's sexy. So you're gonna basically take your thumbs and your pointer fingers and tuck it in like this, right? You're gonna roll the edges on each side, just like this, and create that dimple right there. Now you're gonna pull it through. And as you're doing this, make sure you don't lose that shape. Okay, the last part, take the back of the tie, hold the knot, tighten it up to the neck so it's nice and clean and smooth, and there's no space in between the tie and the button. Fold down the collar, and you are good to go.